In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add drop-down in Google Sheets. So adding a drop-down list in your Google Sheets will help you organize your data. Here's how to do it. First, select the cells where you want to add the drop-down list. Go to the menu bar and click on Insert. Near the bottom, you'll see drop-down. Click on that. On the right side panel, you'll see where you can put your options or items that you can choose from your drop-down list. Since we're talking about gender, let's put in male or female. You can always add another item through this one. And you can also customize the color for each option. Let's go for light blue, and for female, yellow. Once done, you can click on Done at the bottom, right here. Click on that. And now you can select from your drop-down list for male or female. So we have Anna, female, Andrea, Amelia, Benedict, male, Benjamin, male, Carlos, male, Catherine, female, and so on. Now let's try that again with the other method. Select the cells that you want to add the drop-down list in. Right-click on those cells. Right at the bottom, click on drop-down. And on the right side again, you will see the panel appear. Here we have positions where these applicants are applying for. Let's put in our options or items. If you want to add another item, just click on this one. Type in your option. Another item, click on that. And once you're done, again, you can customize the colors of each option. Once you're finished, you can just click on Done. And again, you can just select from the drop-down list of each item that you need. And that's how to add drop-down in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.